Welcome back to the channel. I'm back outside again today and I have some work to do, but this time it's not on the barn or the land, it's actually on our Honda Element. This is our 2003 Honda Element. It's been a really great vehicle for us, but the windshield wiper fluid pump went out on it. So that means I can't clean my window, and in the winter, that's a real pain because you get all that blow up from the road, from the cars in front of you, and you just can't see where you're going. Luckily for me, I picked up a new pump. It's just a little thing right here, and hopefully I can get it installed and have some fluid back on the windshield today. Yeah, I know the battery is super weak. The other day it almost wouldn't start. This is going to be a big problem here in the cold weather. The battery's only like, what, 2 years old, and it's already like dying. It's just a cheap battery from the automotive store. It was just the cheapest one they had because I was in a tight spot. Had a dead battery. I had to get the car going. It's about time for a new battery. So some people have been wanting to know how we've been dealing with the super cold weather we've been having. And honestly, it hasn't been too bad. If you dress right and don't go outside when you don't need to, it's not so bad. When I found out we were moving to Michigan, one of the first things I bought was snow pants. So I got some snow pants and they've been keeping me nice and toasty. And honestly, the weather hasn't been any different than what we're used to. It's not that different from Indiana, and it's not that different from New York. I think people have this idea of Michigan being like this Arctic, just super cold state, but it's really not much different than a lot of the other states that are in the north. It gets more snow because of the lake effect, but it doesn't mean it's colder, it just gets more snow. So the washer pump is behind here. I gotta get these bolts off and I should be able to access it. So let's get a wrench. Oh, that's not unscrewing. Right here is the focus. Right there is the pump. So I gotta pull that out, get the new one in. I got a pot. Hopefully this will collect the windshield washer fluid. This is the fun part where I get to get my hands all wet in the freezing cold. Alright, it's just about drained out. I think I can try to pull the pump now. We'll try it. We're foggy. I had to go in and get a new battery, so the camera's foggy from the warmth in the house. Let's check this out. I did just pull the pump. This pump wasn't just bad, look at that. It's blown out. That thing got destroyed. Don't know how that happened. Guys, I know this is tough to see, but look at, new pump is installed, ready to go. Let's fire it up. Well, let's get this back together first. Let's see if it works. Ah, here it comes. That one's got ice on it. Let me clear that off. Well guys, another job is done. It is cold out, I won't lie, but Michigan has been pretty nice. You know, when we were in Indiana, it was windy all the time because we're on the plains, you know, mid-Indiana, and that wind really makes it cold. So no matter where we lived, it's always been cold. I hate doing this kind of work in the cold where you have to handle tools and touch metal. Man, it hurts my fingers. But we got to be safe on the road, and when you lose visibility, it is like so hard to drive. Speaking of driving, we might go out later today. I have a lead on a snowblower. We actually might pick up a snowblower so we can get this driveway clear. We're gonna have a couple of really warm days this week and we're hoping a lot of this melts. But we want to be prepared for just anything so we can get in and out and other people can get in and out in case we need anything delivered. So we'll see how that goes. That's all for now, but maybe we'll have more coming in a minute. So we just got back from getting our new snowblower. So that's really awesome. The newest tool to the property, and it's gonna help us a lot because you can see we got snow, lots of snow. And we just want to be sure. We're actually gonna have like a couple of days coming up where it's gonna be really warm. This may melt, but we want to be safe because if we want to get a mule delivered or anything else for that matter, we got to have a clear driveway.
We don't want people getting stuck in here.
So let's pull it out of the car and see how it works. I'm going to pull it back. Okay. And
I don't know where to grab it.
Grab it
right here.
Here and on the front maybe? You can grab it anywhere you can grab it.
Okay, that's not too bad.
I ran out of light last night, so I wasn't able to show you guys the progress I made with the new snowblower, but I'm going to show it to you this morning. It's a beautiful, cold day. I got a little more work to do, but let's check out the driveway. And you can see all this is clear. It got all the way around to the barn and out the other side. Let's go over there. Cut through here and all the way through here. It might not look like much, but it was a lot of work and it's so good to have it open. I've got to do another pass just to clean it up, but like I said, it was getting dark. I couldn't really see what I was doing. I just got to go clear out the mailbox. But this is going to be a huge help for us. So I guess that's all we have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got some work done. We got some progress. We're going to keep moving forward. And until next time, take care.
You like it?
Yep.
It's awesome.
When I lay in the snow, it feels like I'm laying in a cloud.
Yeah. Nice.
Just feels so smooth.
And cozy.
Mhm.